This content is intended for educational purposes only. Unauthorized use of these techniques is illegal. Please act responsibly. Just to be clear, this script did not actually hack or compromise any network or device. It's for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always respect privacy and secure your own networks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay ahead in cybersecurity. Check out more videos here to keep your knowledge sharp.